Now, as students develop an understanding of those four-sided two-dimensional shapes and angles, it's important to get into fluency. Fluency is doing things easily and accurately, and students should have fluency with being able to describe the attributes and be able to categorize and distinguish among different four-sided two-dimensional shapes. And students should also have fluency with initial interpretation of angles. Now, what might be some fluency activities? Well, one activity that you might do is this quadrilateral shape game. Here, students have to think about all of these different quadrilaterals, and then here they have to choose the quadrilaterals. Now remember, quadrilaterals can be any four-sided shape, so even this shape right here is a quadrilateral. Now students can then think about specific quadrilaterals. So in this example, they're asked to find all the parallelograms. Another way to think about shapes is to look around the environment and identify all of the four-sided shapes or all of the angles that students see. So maybe I'm walking through the neighborhood and I see this house and I think about, well, where are all the 90-degree angles in this house? Well, I see 90-degree angles here in this garage door. I see 90-degree angles in each of these windows and in this door. Lots of 90-degree angles and also lots of quadrilaterals. So angles and quadrilaterals are all around us, and asking students to identify in the environment is a nice way to build fluency with both those four-sided two-dimensional shapes and angles. So that brings me to a pause where I would like you to think about what are the fluency activities you use to help students build fluency with two-dimensional shapes.